Best of luck. Vestibular testing is always kind of daunting. You're not really sure what it's going to look like. It might kind of stir things up, but it can give some important info. I don't know if you want me to comment on the specific test you're having with the VEMP. There's two different types. There's the cervical and the ocular. The cervical, they put electrodes kind of around your neck, and you turn your head to one side, and they play sounds in one ear and measure reactivity around the neck. That one, in my experience, is much longer. I think it was about 45 minutes maybe. The ocular, they're measuring around here, and that one was about 5 minutes in my experience. Again, different locations might do that differently. The vHIT, so that's the video head impulse test. That one's I would say relatively benign. The head impulse test is essentially where your eyes are focused on a target and they shake your head quickly and then